Hey everyone! Welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a special quiz for you, a beginner to advanced English grammar challenge. 30 MCQs covering all levels. Are you ready to test your skills? Let's get started. 1. Choose the sentence with the correct subject-verb agreement. The students play in the park. Tips: ensure subject and verb agree in number. 2. Which of these is a correct sentence? He doesn't like to swim. Tips: doesn't is used with the base form of the verb. 3. Choose the correct sentence. She has never been to the park. Tips: double negatives should be avoided in standard English. 4. Identify the correct use of the apostrophe. The dog's bone is missing. Tips: use an apostrophe plus s to show possession for singular nouns. 5. Identify the correct sentence. I have been waiting for 2 hours. Tips: for is used with a duration of time. 6. Choose the correct sentence. They can swim. Tips: modal verbs can, could, etc. do not need an s in the third person. 7. Which sentence is correct? She has finished her homework. Tips: use has for the present perfect with singular subjects. 8. Which sentence is in the future tense? She will go to the market. Tips: the future tense often uses will with the base form of a verb. 9. Which word is an adverb in this sentence? She quickly ran to the store. Quickly. Tips: adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 10. Choose the correct form. If I, a bird, I would fly across the world. Were. Tips: the subjunctive mood uses were with hypothetical situations. 11th. Which one is a preposition in the sentence? The cat is under the table. Under. Tips: prepositions show relationships between nouns/pronouns and other words. 12. Identify the correct form of the verb. I was going to the market when I saw him. Tips: use the past continuous for an action in progress when another action interrupts. 13. Choose the correct preposition. I am interested in learning Spanish. Tips: interested in is the correct phrase for expressing interest. 14. Select the correct word to complete the sentence. They have been here for 2 hours. Tips: use for when referring to a period of time. 15th. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I haven't seen him for a long time. Tips: for is used with a period of time, e.g., for a long time. 16. Choose the correct article. He is an honest man. Tips: use in before words starting with a vowel sound. 17. Identify the sentence with the correct subject-verb agreement. She goes to the gym every day. Tips: singular subjects take verbs with an S at the end. 18. Select the correct form of the adjective. This is the easiest. Tips: use the superlative form easiest for comparing more than two things. 19. Identify the correct tense. She will sing a song. Tips: use will plus base verb for future actions. 20. Choose the correct possessive form. This is Mark's book. Tips: add an apostrophe and s to show possession. 21. Choose the correct form of the verb. She has finished her homework. Tips: use has with singular subjects, she, he, it. 22nd. Choose the correct word. Can you lend me a pencil? Tips: lend is used when giving something temporarily. 23. Select the correct form. He speaks English very fluently. Tips: use the adverb fluently to describe how he speaks. 24. Identify the correct passive sentence. A letter is written by her. Tips: passive voice uses be plus past participle. 25. Choose the correct conjunction. I like both coffee and tea. Tips: and is the correct conjunction when combining two similar ideas. 26. Select the correct sentence. They were watching TV when the power went out. Tips: use past continuous, or watching, for an ongoing action interrupted by another. 27. Choose the correct verb form. If I had known, I would have helped you. Tips: use the past perfect, had known, in third conditional sentences. 28. Choose the correct pronoun. This is the book that I wanted. Tips: use that for things in defining relative clauses. 29. If I known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Had. Tips: this is a third conditional sentence, requiring the past perfect in the if clause. 30. Select the correct sentence. I will finish my homework. I get home. When. Tips: use when to refer to a specific point in the future. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and challenging English content. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.